Hey folks, this is Mikhail with Watchtower. I wanted to talk to you today quickly about how to use the Make an Offer button on the Watchtower website. This is also known as the Haggle button, and I'm going to show you on screen right now how to do that. Alright guys, so we're on the main page here as indicated by the URL. This is watchtowerguitars.com. Don't worry about the My Shopify up part. If you go to Watchtower Guitars, you will find us. Now, if I'm on the main page and I go down to the collection list, and again, this is on the main page, I'm not clicking on any of these tabs. Go in here, you'll immediately see this avuncular figure over here. We're going to click on this, Uncle Steve's Deals, and then we are going to be on the page here that matters. And you'll see right away there's a bunch of Danos. These always sell out immediately. So if you click on any of the sold out stuff, well, it's sold out, so you can't do much. So let's go back here. Let's pick an item that is actually available. There's a PRS here, which is in this very cool blue. But we like Danos, so let's go to one of the remaining Danos here. I think there are 3 left in the shop. This Blackguard. Now we've got the price here, which we're asking. You can add this to the cart. That'd be great. But if you feel you want to make an offer, you go to this, the Make an Offer button. Now, have a drop down here. It says, what is Haggle? It says, Haggle lets you negotiate a better price in real time. Make an offer and instantly get a response. No hassle, no obligation. Something about shopping like a boss. But what is important here is that, yeah, indeed, if you do make an offer here, you're under no obligation to it. So you make an offer, and you'll see a little slider here. This is the price that we're asking on the right, which is the green, and then you could play hardball and go all the way to the left, and this is the lowest offer that we'd be willing to accept on this item. You could try it. It may bounce back to you. You may get accepted. You never know. That's sort of the magic of this Make an Offer button. You can then submit it, and you get 3 opportunities to do that. This process is true for all of the items in the Uncle Steve's Deals category that have the Haggle button. I'm going to go here to the Gibson Les Paul 59R9. Same thing, make an offer. There are other parts of the website where you're going to go and you're going to wonder, where is this make an offer button? Unfortunately, it's not available for all our items. We're only going to be adding select items every season. If you have any questions, let us know.